Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Binti. I own a small cosmetic brand called Binti Beauty where I make lip care and body care products. And today I will be showing you how I make my frozen berry lip gloss. Frozen berry is our strawberry mint lip gloss that is filled with mini strawberry slices. And first I'm just starting out with my Versagel. I get my Versagel from TKB Trading. I like to use different combinations of Versagel, so I like to use the Versagel, the Flexagel, and also I like to add polybutene for more hydration. And as you can see, I'm not really measuring the ingredients. I am making a small batch, and I kind of know the consistency that I like. If it's too thin, I will add more lip gloss base or polybutene, and if it is too thick, then I'll add more oils. And for oils, I do like to use squalene and vitamin E oils. They are just my top choices, but I know a lot of people do like to use fractionated coconut oil, and that is also another good choice because it is clear, it doesn't have a smell, and it's also a lot more cheaper. Right now I'm adding my flavoring oils, and this lip gloss is strawberry mint scented. Mint is the easiest flavor to find. You can find this in any store, but the strawberry one I do prefer either TKB Tradings or Get Suckered, especially Get Suckered because they are safe enough to put in food and they just smell a lot more sweet and they're a lot stronger. So right now I'm filling up the lip gloss tubes, and as you can see, I am putting the mini fruit slices in one by one, and it might look a little bit time consuming, and it is. But I do prefer to do it this way because if I dump the fruit slices into the lip gloss base, then it's all going to be together, and I don't want that. I want them to be spread out. And if you are wondering, I did get these tubes from Amazon, and I've been getting it from there for a while. I am thinking about getting it from somewhere else just because I want to get them customized, but for right now, I do get it from Amazon. And they do come in many different colors. I think I've seen white, black, pink, and purple. There might be more, but they have different options. And now I'm filling up Icy, and Icy is our peppermint scented lip gloss. This lip gloss does feel a little bit cooling on the lips and is a bit tingly. And it has a naturally plumping effect because mint increases the blood circulation on your lips, causing them to appear more fuller. And this is Iced Cherry, and Iced Cherry is our cherry mint lip gloss. It applies with a red tint. This gloss is also hydrating and feels a little tingly on the lips. So now that I'm done filling up the lip gloss tubes, I'm just putting the stoppers and the caps. And this part right here, it's my least favorite part about filling up these lip gloss tubes, because if you just slightly overfill them, the stopper is gonna come up and then the caps is not gonna go down all the way, and it's just gonna be a whole sticky mess. So now that I am done with making the lip glosses, I'm just gonna clean them up and put them away. I'm gonna put the labels on another time. Usually I like to put the labels when I'm getting ready to ship them, but for right now we are all done. So in the next videos, I'm just gonna show you guys swatches of all three lip glosses. So our package has just got delivered. I have some more stuff from TKB Trading and Get Suckered. and I'm just gonna unbox them right now to show you what I got. I also got some more twist pin tubes, and as you can see, I did get the twist pin tubes from Amazon, and I will continue to get it from there until I am ready to get these tubes customized. And this time around I got 100 more tubes. I already do have some, but I just wanted to get some more because the twist pin tubes do sell out a lot more quicker. So this is all for today. If you found this video really helpful, you can subscribe to the channel, and you could also find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at Binti Beauty or Shop Binti Beauty, or visit the website bintibeauty.com.